Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're talking about Scarabs today. This is a 195, beautiful package. This thing's got all the options you're looking for. The first thing we'll start out with here in the dash is we have the Scarab touchscreen control dash. So it's going to give you GPS, it's going to give you speed control, a lot of functions in that boat, the functions you would see in a much more expensive boat. This is a jet propelled boat, 300 horsepower, great performance. This boat's going to get up and go. You're pulling skiers, pulling a couple of tubes, no problem. This thing's got the power to do it. Obviously, you've got the safety of a jet. You don't have to worry about running over stuff, tearing stuff up. If it's wet, this boat will go over it. We've ordered this boat with the upgraded sound system. It does have subwoofer and amplifiers. It's got LED lights in the speakers. We did a bow filler cushion in the boat, so you got tons of seating up here. Storage in the consoles, massive amount of storage there. So you got bumpers and stuff like that. One thing I love about the Scarab is the frameless windshield. Really clean look. You don't have all the frames and everything gathering dirt down towards the bottom. Really good look and a good style. Wakeboard tower on all of our boats. Tower folds down really easily, so you can usually get this in just about any garage. The boat has storage everywhere. Just can't beat it. Another feature this boat has, it has a surf system. Scarab Surf Stream is what it's called. It's a great system. It creates a great surf wake. You got the safety of a jet and you got the surf wake, so this is a great option. Sitting back on the back of the boat, obviously we're doing sea deck throughout the entire interior and on the back of the boat. These back seats flip forward, so if you're mooring out, just hanging out with your friends, you got a place to sit. Sits up really good and high off the platform, so putting on skis and wakeboards, no problem. Just a great boat. You can't beat the value. Come by us and see us here at MarineMax in Louisville, or you can visit MarineMax.com anytime. Thanks a lot.